Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the class. I am Deeksha Kapoor Khanna, and welcome to the session at LeapScholar. Today, we are going to learn a twist, a different way of adding vocabulary words to our English language for various reasons. Reason number one is to impress your examiner. Reason number two is to score a higher band score. How? Because they want you to use these. Yeah. Does weather change your mood? Does it do that? Do you like to, do you feel extra energetic because the weather is nice? Oh my God, have I been using words like good, nice, get, do? Have I been using these basic terms? Okay, I'm not going to use that. Yeah, I'm going to help you with collocations. While I was preparing this presentation, I realized it's a hidden gem. I realized that collocation is a hidden gem, and that's the name I got for you. You will realize, you will also see that with me now. Just means it is right on your screen. Very nice, Suman. You must not be getting a lot of sunshine. It may be really cold over there, and you love the sunshine, as contrary to India, where we have extreme weathers and when it is hot, it is really hot, and we don't want sunshine. We want clouds. We want water pouring on us. Collocations are a combination of two words. If you are constantly using terms like very good, very nice, or I do work. Do you say I do work? You use that? I do work. I do study. Basic people who have started speaking in English recently, they speak such sentences. I'm doing job. I'm doing job. It's not very impressive. Do you agree with me? They are using basic. How do you think you can score a 9 band when you speak very basic language? So I'm going to help you. Okay, so I'm going to show you some collocations, and then I have a surprise for you. Right now, we're going to do two activities, and you will I'm going to help you lay foundation for language right now. So first, see here. What is this? What is this? Constant pain, recurring illness. You have to give all these terms a name. Constant pain, recurrent of the illness. Do you use these terms? Recurrent of the illness. And I want you to frame sentences in the chat box now. Do you see my head is paining a lot? My head is paining a lot. Do you see that? My head is paining a lot. I want you to stop saying that and say my head is throbbing in pain. There is a constant pain in my right knee for the last 3 days. Can somebody improve that sentence? Elevate pain. I took the medicine to simmer down the pain, but it instead elevated. It increased. Unfortunately, the pain elevated. Instead of I'm having a lot of pain, so we are going to remove these expressions and we are going to use better collocations. So all these collocations are related to health. Yes? Yesterday, pain just got elevated, Jasmeet, while I was playing football. Why are you eating words? Please have aloo ka parantha, but don't eat words. Please have toast, but don't eat I and am, and don't eat words. It has been constant pain in my right knee. No, Fizan, that's not. There has been a constant pain. There has been. Yeah. Yes. There has been a constant pain. Yeah. Severe pain. Very nice. The symptoms still persist. So even after taking medicine and completing the medication course, the symptoms still persist. Yeah. Throbbing pain, sudden pain, or illness. Today, you learned 6 new expressions about health. So, health is a very common topic in IELTS. Health is a very common topic. And I would want you to use 2 of the 6 of these expressions, 2 of the 6 collocations in your IELTS speaking. It's a very common topic. Yeah. Health, fitness, sport. So if you are talking about sport, you can bring it. Remember, I did storytelling the last time. You remember that? We did storytelling. So while you are talking about sport, you can obviously say, and after I played basketball for a couple of hours, I had a throbbing pain in my knees, in my legs. Yeah, this is how you connect. Do you remember that? Here you can see these are collocations. So basically, collocations are a combination of two words. Why do I need collocations? Because you are repeating words. Collocations are a combination of two words. This way, you give variety to your examiner. When you use collocations, you give variety to your examiner. You impress them with a wide range of vocabulary. So if you do not know what are collocations, please Google more collocations and you will find a lot of adverbs, adjectives along with a phrase. This is one way to improve your English. Even if it's a free class and even if you don't go for my batch, I would still like to help you if you want to be self-learned. Although for IELTS practice, you need a teacher. You need somebody to correct you. And that's only for 1 month. That's just a 1 month thing. So you are going to do this activity 8. One of the words is wrong here. Quickly, let's get started. Acknowledge shame. So you have to make a connection. Acknowledge shame, is it correct? Feel shame is correct. Express shame is correct. Which one is incorrect? Express shame, yes. Make shame. Do we say make shame? Hide shame is correct. Overcome shame is correct. Admit shame is correct. But make shame is not. Please write number 1 against your answer. Second, apply for job correct. Catch job correct. Number 2, quickly send all the answers. Catch job. The incorrect verb is catch job. We've done first, we've done second. Catch job is wrong, but rest of them are good. So don't say do job. Yeah, that's wrong. These are better collocations. These are better words to use in your IELTS. Number 3, acquire language is good. Brush up is good. You brush up your language skills. You enrich it. You learn language. You pick up language. You tell language. You use. Do you tell language? Not at all. Number 4, assess damage, cause damage, mend damage. We mend the damage. We improve it. We repair the damage. We suffer damage. Sustain. We take damage. Which one is wrong? Take damage is wrong. Next, prayer. What is it that we don't do with the prayer? What do you don't do with the prayer? Just Preet, you offer prayer is correct. Offer prayer is correct. Answer, my prayers are answered. Kneel in prayer, correct. Offer prayer, correct. Say a prayer, correct. You utter a prayer, correct, but you don't beg a prayer. Number 6, brush teeth is correct. Cap teeth is, you cap your teeth, capping after RCT and all. Drill, yes. Fill. Gnash teeth. Do you see one of the photographs here? It's gnashing its teeth. This expression on the right hand side, this person is gnashing his, yeah, yes. So what is not correct? You don't wash your teeth. Very nice. You grit your teeth. You gnash your teeth when you're angry. 7, derive pleasure. When you travel somewhere, you derive pleasure from the beauty. You are relaxing. Enhance, find, give, pursue, reach, savor. Which one is wrong? Reach. The last is silence. Disturb silence. Yes. Interrupt silence. Yes. Somebody interrupted my silence. Somebody interrupted. Yeah. Maintain silence. Yes. The last is suffer silence is wrong. It is suffer in silence. I asked you to put a preposition there. Suffer in silence. The writer was suffering in silence. Suffering what? Suffering from ostracism. Another activity I want to do. Quickly tell me which word collocates with all the words. You have to think of a word that collocates with these words. Okay, eggs, fish. Fish is a good answer. Vegetables also. Very nice. Summer, warm, winter, tabby, shabby, trendy, second hand. What is it? What summer? Wow. Outfit, clothes. Very nice. Clothes. Dangerous, desperate, common, born, hardened, master what? What is it? Think. Vibe. Master chief, master chef. Dangerous what? Dangerous mind, warm mind, desperate mind, common mind, or it's common sense. But you don't say dangerous sense. No, you don't. Born experience, modern master experience, not really. Criminal. Criminal is a good answer. Criminal. And the last, massive, huge, crowded, packed, outdoor, indoor, sports. So stadium is better. And that's the end of the session. Thank you so much for coming. Bye, everyone. Thank you so much. Take care. And I'll see you all tomorrow. Thank you.